ZDB-900-Q30 startup and operation. Step 1. Turn on the air supply. Switch on the air valve. Step 2. Turn on the power. Turn on the main power switch. Waiting for the system to load. Tap the screen to enter the main menu. Step 3. Load the bags. Press the yellow button to remove the old bags. Place new bags and adjust the side guides. Press the button again to secure the bags. Step 4. Select packaging specs. Tap class number to choose the product. Select the desired target weight. Verify the details on the screen. If wrong, tap Cancel and reselect. Tap Confirm if the settings are correct. The conveyor height auto-adjusts now. Waiting for the adjustment to finish. Once the message disappears, tap Start to begin production.